Hi everyone, Dr. Eric St-Onge here, and I just bought my 18th kettlebell? Wait, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17th. Just bought my 17th kettlebell. I have a problem, I know. But I'm really excited about this particular kettlebell because I've been wanting to get it for a while, and especially now that I'm getting back to training kettlebell sport, wanted to get some updated kettlebell. I bought the new Agatsu 32 kilogram kettlebell, and the reason I bought this kettlebell is, well, let's first just open up the box and take a look. Pro tip, when you get a new kettlebell and you get it in this foam casing, don't ruin this foam casing because you can actually use this for transportation. I'll make another video about that as well. Oh. What did I just say, Eric? Okay. There she is. So I like about this kettlebell as well is the open concept, so there's no filler inside like some of the old kettlebells have. And trust me, they do have some filler in there. I know from firsthand. Overall, first impressions, really nice kettlebell. And you can kind of see it also has that coating on top of the handle here, so that's definitely going to have to come off before we put on the first chalk. Super excited about getting this kettlebell because a lot of the older style kettlebells have a much thinner handle, like 32, 33 millimeter. Now the standard measurements for most competitions now are kettlebells with the 35 millimeter handle. This is going to play a really big role when it comes to training, especially because when you're doing snatch, those 2 millimeters difference makes quite a big difference when it comes to your grip endurance and your technique even to a certain degree. So I'm really excited to be using this kettlebell pretty much just for snatch only. I have my other older 32 kilogram kettlebells that they're fine right now for jerk training. Who knows, maybe one day I'll get another one of these to even it out. That's the unboxing of this particular kettlebell. Okay, super excited to start lifting it. So a nice quick video. If you like this video, just give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you the next time. Thanks.